Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're doing a barbecue ahi tuna bowl. I love this recipe because barbecue and mango goes well together, mango and tuna goes well together, and tuna and barbecue goes well together. So we put them all together into one bowl that is going to be out of this world. Today we are searing our tuna on both sides just slightly, creating a nice sushi feel for at home. So if you're a fan of sushi, make this recipe right here because it'll give you all the vibes of sushi at home, and it's easy, it's quick, and of course, it's delicious. If this is a recipe that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel for this recipe and our future recipe videos. For today's fish, we're using a sushi grade tuna. If you're making this at home, be sure to purchase sushi grade tuna because we're not cooking it all the way and you want to be safe when you're eating it. We're gonna go ahead and cut our tuna into 1-inch cubes, get it into our pan, and sear it on all sides. We're gonna add some olive oil into the pan. Once the pan is hot, I'm gonna put my tuna in and sear it on both sides for about 10 seconds. Now it's time for the really fun part. Let's build our bowl. I have everything prepped out. My ahi tuna looks beautiful, it's seared. I'm gonna start off with some white rice in the bottom of my bowl. So on top of our rice, we're going to add our tuna. I'm being extra generous with this tuna because I'm obsessed with ahi tuna. I have my tuna in and I'm gonna add some avocado. Let's add in our mango. The sweet mango is gonna go perfect with the barbecue sauce. And then some green onions and cilantro. And then I'm gonna mix together my sesame oil and barbecue sauce. All right, let's drizzle on this barbecue sauce. This is the perfect meal to make if you have friends coming over because it looks gorgeous. They're definitely going to be impressed. And then a little pinch of flaky sea salt because we're fancy. And there you have it, our seared barbecue ahi tuna bowl. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.